Myself Rupesh. I'm currently pursuing my final year degree in the stream of mechanical engineering.
Hello, my name is Vaishnavi Srivatsavi. I'm a fourth year mechanical student.
I'm Shamant Kumar from Mechanical Department of Vidyavardhaka College of Engineering.
I'm one among all those normal students who joined BBC with visions and dreams of becoming an engineer. My life in BBC was completely comfortable. This place has been my second home where I have spent valuable and wonderful time with my faculties and friends.
These past 4 years have been an amazing and very transformational journey for me. Because today, when I look back, I can proudly say that I am not the same person who walked in 4 years ago into BBC, as it has changed me to be a confident graduate, ready to conquer and thrive in my field of passion.
Faculties, staff, the higher authorities, everyone are very student friendly. They see to that students reach greater heights.
When it comes to our teaching staff, they have been extremely kind and they have supported us to the core, by which we were able to bring up the curtains on the various clubs on our department like Vaimanika, Protract Club, Ishray chapters and so on. We were also inspired to participate in state and national level events and able to secure top 10 in all the competitions which we took part. So by this we can infer the kind of support our faculties contributed. Throughout my learning phase, I have been influenced and motivated by our teaching staff, which in turn has provided me with an uprising graph in my academics.
These positive changes were driven to me by our faculty at BBC and the atmosphere at BBC. In most of the colleges, the student and faculty interactions or the relationship is limited to a classroom, but at BBC it can be seen everywhere, as the faculty enables us to thrive more in our field of passion. We receive a lot of encouragement from our faculty to pursue our passion by involving ourselves in various activities. This encouragement enables us to involve ourselves in various activities and learn in depth of our area of interest.
Workshops on RC aircraft, then drones, composites, and many other college fests and department fests like crusades. So these experiences which I've gained in BBC has professionally developed me.
I was somewhat shy during my high school and PU days, but after joining BBC, it has helped me to come out of that shell. Now I feel confident and comfortable to present and speak in front of large gatherings. Adding to this, our college has taken us for many industrial and power plant visits during our initial years, where we witnessed the genuine way of working in industries and we understood what actually real world needs from an engineering graduate. I have coordinated many events in our college which assisted me to recognize the values of team efforts, leadership and decision making skills, which is evident to survive in the real world.
BBC provided me with a lot of opportunity to hone my skills today. I can proudly say I have successfully conducted 6 workshops as a student, enabling me to face the problems out there when I graduate. The faculty at BBC strive to enable its students to acquire their skills required by them and support them constantly, so that when they graduate, they can have all the required skill set for them to make a mark for themselves out there.
To talk about academic advising, I feel very blessed to have such humble personalities with me as faculties. They have educated us including very basic questions like what are the roles and responsibilities of engineer in our society, what are all the aspects that should be cultivated to be a successful graduate, how can a good engineer can contribute himself and serve his nation, and so on. I have mentioned earlier, I haven't seen downfall in my academic graph, which notifies the quality of our academic advice.
As a final year student, I can proudly say BBC has enabled me to a greater graduate when I pass out from BBC and has enabled me to tackle the problems boldly. For this positive environment and encouragement from BBC faculty and the atmosphere at the college, I heartily want to say thank you.